Hello, I'm Lindsay Konzak, editor of Modern Distribution Management. MDM recently published its annual Distribution Landscape Report. This report includes the top distributors in each sector, plus an analysis of key trends that we uncovered as we interviewed distributors throughout this past year. The key trends are: customers want more services. As they have pared back, they want distributors to do more for them. Inventory management. This area is becoming a much larger priority. A lag in hiring, despite the bounce back in business, and an increased focus on diversification of end markets and product reach. The report also includes an update on distribution M&A trends. You can read the full landscape report at mdm.com/marketleaders. The most popular part of this report are the full lists of the top distributors in each sector. The sectors that we cover include industrial, PT bearing, fluid power, electrical, HVAC, PVF and plumbing, building materials, gases and welding equipment, electronics, safety, fasteners, pharmaceuticals, and plastics. When we look at the lists and compare them with last year, it's easy to see that the big continue to get bigger. This is not surprising given the economic rebound we've seen. However, not all sectors have seen the same kind of growth. Obviously, those connected to construction markets have struggled. Here are some highlights from our biggest list, the top 40 industrial distributor. Ferguson Woolsey Canada was number 1 this year with $9.4 billion in 2010 revenues. Grainger is number 3 again, but the fast-growing distributor is closing ranks with number 2 HD Supply. Grainger and HD Supply are good examples of the diversification trend I mentioned earlier. Each of them appear on several other sector lists this year. Motion Industries is the largest of the power transmission bearing distributors on the top 40 industrial list, coming in at number 6. Some distributors moved up this year thanks to acquisition strategies. Lewis Getz & Company, for one, grew over 30% from 2009 to 2010 due to acquisitions and organic growth. Black Hawk Industrial was added to the list this year. The new company is backed by a private equity firm. It acquired Duncan Industrial Solutions, Rogers Industrial Supply, and Fuchs Machinery over the past year, earning it a spot at the bottom of the largest 40 distributors. MDM surveys and interviews hundreds of executives throughout the year to compile these lists and to produce this report. We thank everyone for their insight. To learn more, go to mdm.com/marketleaders.